sweetie. Mystery. You know what, it'll work for right now. Then we'll just keep going with it with water coming out. Open big for me? No, try to figure it out. You got drip done?
It's okay.
Yeah, let me see if I can fix it. I'm gonna rinse you a little. Close it. Go ahead and close.
Close your mouth.
Close your mouth. Yeah, there we go. You gonna open? Oh, there's a switch on here somewhere that controls the water.
Like a gun.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Now my teeth sound cracky.
That's the toothpaste.
Can I take this shade off now?
No, you gotta leave it
just
on.
Just a few minutes. Don't know what that just did, but we'll give it a try.
Why is it getting even white though? Why is it getting white now?
All right, let me see if I can find out where. Hold on one second.